Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a new installment of Amazon favorites. I love doing these because I love sharing some of my favorite things that I have found off of Amazon recently. And this one I am very excited about because I just feel like I have some really great gadgets in here that I'm super excited about. So let's get started. First item, definitely not a gadget, but it is this guy right here. This is Millies winter coat. It is so freaking cute. I will insert a picture right here of her wearing it or a video. I melt when she wears this. It's so freaking adorable. But this is by Kusar, and it is, her size is a 2XL. We had one of these when she was a baby. Oh my god, it was so precious. It's so small compared to this one, but I really like this because it has a flannel lining and you can choose the color flannel that you want. They have a couple different options, and then I just love this water resistant black exterior. It's really great, pretty adorable. She wears this to the dog park. Well, she has been recently because it's so cold. She doesn't have a ton of hair. She is a Weimaraner, so she has little hairs that are like eyelashes. That's what her coat is. She only has one coat. She doesn't have an undercoat, and her belly is kind of naked. So cute. But I really like this. Wipes off clean, very nice. It does keep her warm. It's not the thickest thing, but it does the job. She will shiver outside if she doesn't have this on, so we really like it. Okay, probably my favorite purchase off of Amazon ever is this guy. I have never owned a handheld vacuum, and it has changed my life. I use this on everything. The floor, the couch, the counters. Like, it's just amazing. Like, if you spill coffee grounds, I just zoom it on up. Okay, so this is by Vac Life, and I love this so much. It is pretty powerful. It will suck up a lot, and I will insert a video of me using it. It has a flashlight on it as well, which actually has come in handy a couple of times. It has a button right here to empty everything in the trash. Super easy to clean out. I really loved this. I got this on Prime Day, and I've just been absolutely obsessed. It is just so good. And I feel like handheld vacuums are kind of difficult to find because a lot of them will only work for a little bit and they'll lose suction or they stop charging. But this one, this is a good one. I'm super excited about it. Next up, we have this guy right here. This is a fabric pill shaver by Conair. So what this does is, I mean, a lot of fabrics will create this like kind of like pilling. It's where fibers just rub together a lot. So it happens on our couch. It happens like in leggings and other kind of cottony fabrics. So what this does is you have 3 different settings. Well, not settings, it's like a closeness of a shave. So you pick what you want, and it's kind of like trial and error for like what closeness you need. You turn it on, kind of do like a round motion like that, and all of the fuzz and stuff will collect in here. You pop this out and you just dump it in the trash. Super easy to use. Really great. I love this. This has just really come in handy for me, especially like we have a new couch, so that's kind of like the break-in process is a lot of the fibers that are just kind of loose and sitting on top will start to pill and get like fuzzy, and this will take care of that.
My fellow Americans who are shocked and appalled by the images on their televisions today and who are worried about the future of this country.
Then we have this guy right here. This is the Organic Paw Soother by Natural Dog Company. We put this on Millie's paws and her stomach. Her skin has been so dry, and she's such like a rough and tumble girl that her paws are always cracked because she's always outside. This really helped. Like, we put it on one night. She did lick a lot of it off, but it did make a difference. In the morning, we felt her feet and they felt so much softer. The only thing is Millie loves to lick this, so it's like, I'm like, how well is this actually working? But with the paws, it was great. Her stomach has a red spot on it because she was licking so much one night, and this has calmed down the redness a lot. She does like to lick this off. Again, it's more like user error than the actual product being faulty, but I have noticed a difference in her stomach as well. This has really helped us during these cold winter months. Next product we have is kind of boring. It's this food scale right here. It's by a Tech City. I like this because it was pretty cheap. It's light, it's thin, so it's easy to store, and it works really well. It's just an electric one, so you can place a bowl on here and zero it off, and then you add your food in here. I like to use this because I am on my wedding dress diet, so I'm measuring things out like fruits and meat and vegetables and stuff like that. So this has just really come in handy, and I like that it's just super easy to store and it's light. Final product is a game changer for me. It is this guy right here. I used this on Instagram and everybody was asking me what this was. This is like a carpet scraper. Well, that's what I use it for. I think you can use this on your couch to get up pet hair, but I used this on my carpets this past weekend. Oh my God. Like, oh my God. So our living room carpet has only been in the house for 6 months. We've moved it from room to room, and we pulled so much stuff out of there, like all of my hair, Andrew's hair, Millie hair, pieces of the bone that she eats. It was incredible. And then we used it on our bedroom carpet, which has only been laid down for like 3 months. And again, so much Millie hair and pieces of her bone came out. This is amazing. So it has little teeth on both sides, and you go like this and you can really get in there. It's not pulling out the carpet hair, at least on our carpets. It's just getting Millie's hair and my hair, and I can tell the hair that's coming out. This has just been a game changer, especially if you suffer from allergies. Pet dander and pet hair really digs deep into the carpet and kind of like stays there. So if you are an allergy sufferer, really regularly going through your carpets is going to be a game changer for you. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys.